Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving with subtraction. This video will look at how to solve some typical problems involving the subtraction algorithm. Now, problem solving involves some wording, and you have to read carefully and then decide what process am I going to use. So when you read it carefully, you will actually decide which process or operation is the most suitable. So the total number of students in a school was 1,453. If there were 795 girls, how many boys were there in the school? So if we take the total number of students and we subtract the number of girls, that will give us the number of boys. And that's exactly what we've done here in this subtraction algorithm. And here's all the working. Now, we went through that in quite a bit of detail in previous videos, so I won't go through that now. I'll leave it to you to go through that at your leisure. So the answer is 658 boys. Example 2, here we have slightly larger numbers. So in a sports stadium, there were 34,657 spectators. If 18,549 were females, how many males were there? So if we take the total number of spectators, which is 34,657, and we subtract the number of females, which is 18,549, that will give us the number of males. So you go through this process carefully. Just check that all that is correct. That's all the trading we've done here, and you will see that that is correct. Now, if you remember the little trick I showed you earlier on, to quickly check whether the answer is correct, all you do, 8 plus 9 is 17, 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And that shows you that your subtraction was correct. So this very short video has just shown you how to solve problems involving subtraction.